You sit down, open your book, hold your phone, and tell yourself, "Today I will focus." 5 minutes later, your mind is somewhere else. You check your phone. You open another tab. You think about something random. And suddenly, 1 hour is gone. And you did nothing. Not because you are lazy. Not because you are stupid. But because you don't understand what is happening inside your mind. And that confusion is silently destroying your potential. You want to improve your English. You want to build skills. You want to change your life. But you can't sit still. You can't stay focused. And slowly, you start believing something dangerous. Maybe I am not disciplined. Maybe I am not made for success. But that is not the truth. The truth is, your brain is trained for distraction. Yes, trained. And anything that is trained can be retrained. Let me explain something very simple. Your brain loves easy pleasure, quick reward, fast dopamine, instant satisfaction, scrolling, videos, notifications. These things give your brain a small reward instantly, and your brain learns. This feels good, do it again. But focus is slow. Focus is quiet. Focus takes effort. And your brain says, "No, this is hard. Let's do something easier." So every time you choose distraction, you make your focus weaker. And every time you try to focus, feels harder than before. This is not your fault. This is your conditioning. Let me tell you a story. A student wanted to learn English. She was serious. She had goals. She had dreams. Every day she sat down to study. But within minutes, she felt restless. Her mind started jumping. She checked her phone. She opened social media. She watched videos. At the end of the day, she felt guilty. I wasted my time again. But the next day, the same thing happened. Why? Because her brain was addicted to distraction. Not weak, just trained in the wrong direction. One day, she did something different. Instead of forcing herself to focus for hours, she tried something small. Just 10 minutes. No phone. No distraction. Just 10 minutes of pure focus. Felt uncomfortable. Very uncomfortable. Her mind was shouting, "Check your phone. Do something else." But she stayed. Just 10 minutes. The next day, she did it again. 10 minutes became 15. 15 became 20. Slowly, her brain changed. Because focus is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Now listen carefully. Your problem is not that you can't focus. Your problem is, you are trying to focus in a distracted environment, with a distracted mind. And that never works. Let's go deeper. There are hidden reasons why you can't focus. And once you understand them, you can fix them. The first reason, too much input. You consume too much information. Videos, posts, reels, endless content. Your brain is always busy, always active, always stimulated. And when you finally sit down to focus, your brain is tired, not physically, but mentally. It doesn't want to work. It wants rest. But instead of rest, you give it more stimulation. This creates a cycle. More content, less focus. Less focus, more content. And you get stuck. The solution: reduce input. Give your mind space. Silence is powerful. Boredom is powerful. Because in silence, your brain resets. The second reason: no clear direction. You sit down to study, but you don't know exactly what to do. So your brain gets confused. And confused minds seek escape. Distraction becomes easier than decision. A boy once wanted to improve his English. He opened his book, then changed his mind. He opened YouTube, then switched to something else. He kept jumping. Not because he didn't care, but because he had no clear plan. Clarity creates focus. Confusion creates distraction. So before you start, decide one thing, one task, one goal. Keep it simple. The third reason: emotional overload. Sometimes, you can't focus, not because of your environment, but because of your feelings. Stress, anxiety, overthinking, Your mind is full. Full of worries. Full of thoughts. And there is no space left for focus. You sit with your work. But your mind is somewhere else. Thinking, worrying, repeating. This is important to understand. You cannot focus when your mind is emotionally heavy. So what can you do? Don't ignore your emotions. Release them. Write your thoughts. Take a walk. Breathe slowly. Calm your mind. Then come back. Focus needs a peaceful mind. The fourth reason. Trying to do too much. You want fast results. You want to learn quickly. You want to improve everything at once. But your brain cannot handle too much. Gets overwhelmed. And when it gets overwhelmed, shuts down. This is why you avoid starting. 'Cause starting feels heavy. So simplify. Do less, but do it well. Small steps. Create real progress. Now let's talk about something powerful. How to fix your focus. Starting today. Not tomorrow. Today. First. Remove distractions. When you sit to focus, keep your phone away. Not near you. Away. Because willpower is weak. But environment is strong. Make focus easy. Make distraction hard. Second. Use time blocks. Don't say, I will study for 2 hours. I will focus for 20 minutes. Short time. Clear goal. Full attention. Then take a break. This method works because your brain accepts short challenges. Third. Train your mind daily. Focus is not a one-day skill. It is built over time. Like going to the gym. You don't become strong in one day. You train daily. Even when you don't feel like it. Especially when you don't feel like it. Fourth. Be patient. Your brain will resist. It will feel uncomfortable. It will try to pull you back to distraction. But don't stop. Even when it's hard. Because that discomfort is growth. Let me tell you one last story. A man could not focus on anything. His work, his goals, his life. Everything felt scattered. He felt frustrated. Plus, one day he made a simple rule. No phone in the morning. Just that. The first few days were difficult. He felt restless. But slowly, his mind became calm. He started thinking clearly. He started focusing better. One small habit changed everything. This is how change happens. Not in big actions, but in small daily decisions. Now listen carefully. You don't need more motivation. You need better habits. You don't need more time. You need better focus. 'Cause focus is what turns effort into results. Without focus, nothing grows. With focus, everything changes. So ask yourself, what is one thing you can do today to improve your focus? Maybe remove one distraction. Maybe study for 10 minutes. Maybe sit in silence. Start there. Start small. But start now. Because your future is built on what you do today. Not what you plan. Not what you think. But what you do. And if you learn to focus, you will unlock something powerful. Clarity. Confidence. Control. You will stop feeling lost. You will stop wasting time. You will start becoming the person you always wanted to be. So don't wait. Don't delay. Train your mind. Protect your focus. And take control of your life. 'Cause once you master focus, nothing can stop you.